Hello everyone, and today we're looking at Daylio mental health and wellness app. Daylio is a digital bullet journal that goes the extra mile. It lets users track moods and daily activities with just a few taps, thus taking a minimalistic approach to day-to-day mental health record keeping. When you look at the pricing, the free version of Daylio is already pretty comprehensive, with robust features for daily mood journaling. The premium version unlocks unlimited modes and goals to choose from, nifty features like extra reminders and more. The premium version comes at a cost of $4.99 per month or $35.99 per year and can be tried out for free with a 7-day trial. When you look at the features of Daylio is preferred by people who like to maintain a daily journal of their moods and activities, but usually lose steam when they have to write out their thoughts. The app enables users to keep track of everything important by clicking through the various options. Those who want to maintain more detailed records can optionally add notes or voice memos. Daylio then crunches the data and generates insightful charts and statistics that lets users get a holistic view of their emotions. When we look at the reviews, Daylio is highly rated on the App Store with 4.8 out of 5 stars. Users love the simplistic functionalities and the ease of use. One reviewer appreciated the minimalistic approach by saying it helped her begin to be able to track what was making her happy and what was making her sad, and spotting the consistency of these activities correlating with her mood. So, want to give it a try today?